Hey guys, it's Tara with your crypto market update. So today is Friday, March 22, 2024, and Bitcoin is at $63,464.87. It's down about 3% within the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $3,325.71. It's down about 4.83% within the last 24 hours. And XRP is at 61 cents. It's also down about 4.73% within the last 24 hours. And so this video is all about the RSI. And so I'm going to take you through the Bitcoin chart on 3 different time frames: the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. And I'm going to show you what the RSI is signaling to us about the future of Bitcoin. Let's begin. Okay, so here we are on the Bitcoin chart. This is the Coinbase exchange and we're on the weekly time frame. And so what I want to show you on the RSI on the weekly time frame is this high right here. So from our bottom here at 15,000, right here on the RSI, you can see that this created a new high or a new extreme on the RSI with our last high in price. So what this is signaling is that on Bitcoin's highest time frame, or the macro trend on Bitcoin, is still bullish, which means that this bullish trend is most likely going to continue and doesn't show any signs of a major reversal just yet. Okay, so now I switched over to the daily time frame, and so on the RSI here, you can see that when it made that higher high in price, it created a bearish divergence because right here on the RSI is lower than our previous high here. So it did not make a new extreme on the RSI when it made that high in price. So this is most likely the reason why it's starting to retrace right now. Another thing that I want to note on the RSI is with this low here, when it reached around 60.7K, you can see that it created a slight new low on the RSI. So it's almost looking like this needs a new low in price where the RSI is going to be higher at that time. And so what this is looking like to me is that this retracement here is not quite finished yet, or there really isn't any major sign of reversal just yet. However, it is close to a reversal. Okay, and so now I switched over to the 4-hour time frame, and one thing I want to show you here is on that last low at 60.7K, you can see that we do have a slight bullish divergence where it made a new low in price and did not create another new low on the RSI. And so I think that was the reason for this short-term bullish movement coming up here. And so it's almost like on the 4-hour time frame, because we didn't get that perfect touch on either of these Fibonacci levels, we were about a couple $100 off or so. I believe if it breaks past this level here at 63.1, we're going to see a perfect touch on these levels down here. The RSI is trending a lot higher this time, so when it does come down and the price reaches these levels here, it will form a more clear bullish divergence at that time. And so that's what the RSI is telling us. We have the macro view is still bullish. However, the midterm view, the daily and the 4-hour time frame, are still slightly bearish. And so that's why I believe that midterm we might get another new low here around 60.3 or 59.7 before moving on to the next wave.
Tick,